Hello happy souls, this is about Suzuki Max 100 or Revamp, and these are all the chapters which I have categorized for you for this restoration project, and this is exclusively about Suzuki Max 100 or chapter 11 unboxing. And in that today we are in part 4 unboxing the lock set assembly. The brand name is Spark Minda. It is Minda India. This is a well-known brand in India, reputed brand, and it is a Delhi-based company. They manufacture lock sets, key sets, and tank caps and other automotive components. And I bought this for 729 rupees in Chennai in the year 2022. And like there are two types for Suzuki Max 100 lock set, and one is with the center lock type, which was launched in 2002, I think, with new graphics with the TVS badging on the keys. And this is this old type, and if you are going to upgrade the new one with the center lock type, you have to weld a piece of metal in the chassis for the adapting the new one. And some may use other methods also with digital speedometer console and other things. If you want, you can upgrade it easily, but you need to do some alterations. And inside the box it is like a pair of keys, tank lock, the side lock, and the ignition lock. This is the ignition lock. It comes with a big nut to lock with the speedometer console. And this is a side lock, and this don't come with the screws. We have to use the existing screws. And these are the pair of keys, and mine will be like the old one is with the Suzuki badging with the hole at the center, and this is at placed at the side. And these locks are okay. And finally the tank lock. These are the major components for the Max R100. And for the center type, I think the tank cap and the center ignition lock alone will come. And please check out my other videos in the description and the playlist also. There are many videos for you, and please support and share this video.